Hi loves, and welcome back to a Felice Day. In today's video, stay tuned how I show you what we did with our family room wall. In this clip, I'm halfway up the wall using the level to make sure that everything is leveled before I use the nail gun. For the shiplap, I used 1/4-inch plywood purchased at Lowe's, and they each cost me $14.98. Hope you all are enjoying the video. I know I had a lot of fun doing this. I had doubted myself, thinking it was going to come out all messed up, but I really do like the way it turned out.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits.
For those of you that are new, welcome. I hope you're enjoying the video. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and join my family.
I feel so rich, but I don't know the thing. I can't let this slip.
As always, my husband is always a big help.
Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So
Now I did end up removing the wallpaper at the top just before I put one of the last strips of plywood.
don't wanna go too fast. 'Cause I know the people.
At this point, I was so happy and so glad that this was almost done, because I'm super excited about how I'm going to decorate this whole room.
Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know the thing. I can't let this slip. No, I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking
What do you guys think? Look how it turned out. I absolutely love it.
We just met, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things.
Now let's get to painting it.
Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you.
For those of you that don't know, this is my family room, and this is where I keep my granddaughter's toys. And now my new grandson, who is 2 months old, I'm adding some of his toys. So this is where they'll be hanging out.
'Cause I've been thinking about you.
Adding the white paint made it stand out even more. I've got a lot more home improvement videos coming up on my channel. So if this is something that you enjoy and you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Excuse the lighting. It was pouring raining over here in Florida, so it got even darker. This is how it turned out. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.